Good morning, it's August 14th, 9 o'clock, and I'm right in the sun. I'll move a little bit, but this is life in a construction zone. This is not construction that we are actually paying to do. This is bypass construction, because as Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy says, you've got to go bypasses. So down there behind me, that backhoe, they're working on our driveway under my favorite tree, my favorite silver birch. You see some backhoes scooping away. And that's not the half of it. Here comes a nice dump truck just barreling down. My allergies have been hideous, and so have the children's. We've been coughing, sneezing, wheezing. It has not been pretty. I'm in my driveway, and as you can see, the bypass is going to go right next to us, all the way back. Everywhere you see dirt, that will be a 4-lane highway here in a few months. I still have some trees that they didn't take down, but they took down most of them. Everything that is dirt there that will be the bypass used to be a very, very beautiful piece of land, lots and lots of trees, a really sweet house. This was all family property. And on my birthday, on May 23rd, I watched them cut down almost all the trees. Actually, this is a fairly calm day. I almost got bulldozed yesterday. That was the first time I had actually gone out, and they waited for me, but there was a bulldozer right down there on that driveway that couldn't see me backing out, and I was honking like a crazy woman until he did see me, and I was very, very, very shaken. This was my grandparents' house. The house my grandmother actually grew up in, and that's the house she lived in when I was growing up. And if I turn around and show you the bottom of the driveway, there we go. That's where I almost got bulldozed yesterday. He was coming backwards down that driveway. This is my parents' yard, and this week they cut down a whole lot of his ornamental trees. This is another reason our allergies have been so terrible. Smoke. It's not bad right now, but they've been burning a whole lot of the trees they cut down. It rains ash on us when the wind changes. It's not fun. So it's smoky, it's dusty, it's loud, but you have to build bypasses. One perk is no more big trucks going right by your house. That would be nice. Maybe somebody will develop around us, maybe even, I don't know what will happen. But there we are.